Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to disable two-step verification on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Security section. Under Security section, tap on Two-Step Verification. Enter your password and tap the right icon. Tap on Turn Password Off. Tap on Disable. That's it. Two-step verification is turned off. This is how you can disable two-step verification on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.